Hi guys, so let's make this popular Guinean street food or snack known as Kelewele, spiced fried plantain. So in a blender, I'll add some chopped onions. To that, I'll add chopped thumb-sized ginger, dried chili. You can add habanero pepper or powdered chili. I have Calabash nutmeg or widiaba, which helps bring out that flavor into this particular snack. I've added grains of Selim, cloves, and black pepper. And lastly, I have anise seeds, which is optional, but you can add it because it will also help bring out that flavor into your snack. So I added just a little bit of water, because I wanted to maintain the thickness and keep the flavor concentrated in there. So I've chopped my ripe plantain into smaller pieces. To that, I'll sprinkle some salt and pour the blended mixture on it. Yes, and I'll give it a good stir until each of the plantain is coated with the mixture. I'll let it sit for some few minutes before I fry this. Also, I'll keep the rest of the mixture in the refrigerator so that whenever I'm craving this particular snack, I'll just go ahead and fry some. So at this point, I'll go ahead and fry the plantain in the hot oil on medium heat. Now we'll allow this to fry until it turns completely brown or golden brown until it is ready to be served. Now I've also laid some paper towels into the sieve so that it will trap most of the oil that will come out of the plantain. This smells so good. Now this snack is mostly served with groundnut, and trust me, if you've never had this in your entire life, you really need to try it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Turn on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted. See you again next time.